Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to delete your Webull account. We will put links in the description below for similar stock trading apps for you to sign up and get free stuff. So let's get started. Open the website, then click on Login. To log in, enter your mobile number or email address and password. You also have the option to scan the QR code. Then click on the Login button. Once logged in, you can see options on the top part of this page. Then, click on the profile icon. A drop-down will then appear. Then, click on My Account. Under the My Account option, you will see Manage My Account. Click on the Manage My Account button. Next, you will see Delete Account beside the individual option. Then, click on the Delete Account button. An account cannot be deleted until these requirements are met. All requirements should have a check result. If not, please follow the on-screen instructions before proceeding with the deletion of the account. And that's how you delete your Webull account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses. See you in our next video.